everyone. We are going to pantomime some things together. So I'd like all of you to join me in this adventure by standing up, pushing in your chairs, and making some, finding an area where you can find some space to do this with me. Are you ready? Here we go. We are now at a bowling alley and we are gonna bowl. So let's go ahead and reach for our bowling ball. All right, shape, it's kind of round and they're heavy, right? So lift it up like this. All right, get your fingers in it. Okay, got your fingers. All right, now hold it up here. Now let's pull it back, and ready? Roll it down. Watch it. Where's it gonna go? Aw, it went in the gutter. Man. Let's try that again. Let's get another ball. Hold it, kind of heavy. Act like it's heavy now. Okay, now bring it back. Get your fingers in it. Bring it back. Roll it again. Watch it. Watch it. Where's it gonna go? And it's a strike. Yeah, you did it. All right.